Howdy, folks. We're live at 8:29, battling for Jesse's blue snaggletooth. If I can find my way back up to the top here, Jesus. There he is. He's a nice one. I got 80 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find. I get a little ahead of myself there, too. I'm going to copy this list patiently and take it over to random to find our winner. There we go. Paste them in there, 1 through 80. As you can see around here, gonna roll the dice. Gotta get at least a 5. We got a 3. I'm rolling again. Ooh, we got a 6. We're good to go. Good luck, guys and gals, as we get down to it. Troy, round 1. Andrew, 2. Andy, 3. Matt, 4. Andrew, 5. Which means our winner is Andy Daniel. Congratulations, Andy, at number 15. What was the winning selection? Here's the verification. HYHBBB. Andy Daniel, in at number 15, is the victor. Meaning, now that we've determined that, I'm done at 8:30. Good grief. 830. There it is. There that is. 8:30. Again, here's the official results. Andy in at number 15. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.